friends, welcome back to Kids Fun and Club. It's amazing world of fun and learning with Parikshit and me. So today we are gonna draw a squirrel with the help of this pencil and a white paper. These are the easiest pencil sketches that you will find anywhere. So this is for you. If you are a beginner, you can learn how to draw using a pencil. Easy pencil sketches for only and only the kids out there. The kids who love watching Parikshit and Kids Fun and Club. Let's get started.
What is colored like nuts?
Come on, let's get started. Okay. Yeah, so we start with the face of the squirrel.
Let's start with the eyes.
Okay. The eyes, as you said. The ears.
It's looking that it's ready to attack any time.
Okay. Now the body. Round. Coming down. The legs folded as if they are sitting somewhere. Okay.
Oh, I should have got an eraser.
Okay. The squirrel is holding sitting in its long tail. Yes. Okay.
Look, she will eat these nuts, then she will go jump and or even fly and go here. Look, jumping fences to fence.
Oh, okay. So your squirrel is on a fence, my squirrel is on a branch of a tree.
Squirrels can fly. There are some flying squirrels.
Flying squirrels?
Yeah.
I haven't heard of them.
Yeah. They don't fly, but they can glide
Yeah, they can jump.
and glide. Only I'm going to get caught.
So this drawing of squirrel, an easy, very easy drawing of squirrel with the help of a pencil is done. So it's what?
It's a bandage. No, he's eating because he has a bandage got a hurt over here. So someone found him and took him to the vet and the vet gave this.
Okay, that's nice. Do we need to make some leaves?
No, I don't think so.
No, it's okay. So this is done. Are you done with us? If yes, do not forget to share your kids' drawings with us on Instagram and tag us at the Kids Funland Club and hashtag Kids Funland Club to win some amazing goodies from Kids Funland Club. See you in the next video. Have a good day. And so sorry, if you are liking the videos, do not forget to like and subscribe the channel to see more amazing drawing videos that we are uploading every single day for you.
And look at this, the egg is guarding the nut.